Hey there everybody, I am going to show you how I am burning a coaster right here. I've got this Creality Falcon 2 22 watt laser, and I'm going to etch on this coaster a Jordan elephant print design. I do have a case that it has, and so this thing's pretty nice. All you have to do is put it on and zip it shut, and then it doesn't have an exhaust because this does make some smoke, and so I have it so that it runs up and out my window. Not the best setup, but for right now I just got this and I wanted to get going with it and show how it works. And then it does have its air pump here on the side so it can do air assist, and then it just runs in through this little setup. So let's get this thing hooked up to my Mac and get going. All right, so I've got my design here. This is what I'm going to cut out, and I've got air assist off, and I've got it set to 6,000 millimeters per minute and 40% power. I got it plugged in, got the cord ran right through here. I'm going to turn it on, and now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold down shift and click frame and select frame, and it's going to start framing out where my device is. All right, so now I've got my laser on, it's showing the light, and so I can line this thing up so that way it fully covers my coaster. All right, I'm happy with that. So now on here I can say, okay, I'm done framing, and I can tell it to start. And so right now it's going. It's starting to get a little smoky, so I'm going to show you once this thing's done. So even though the cover's on it, you're able to see clearly through this, and you're able to see exactly what it's doing, make sure it's working right. You always want to make sure that you stay with this thing because it could cause a fire. So this cover is 28 inches wide, and then it is 29 inches long, and so it fits right over top of this pad. This is a 400 by 415 millimeter bed here. Now this does feature a emergency stop button. It also has a lock key so you can lock it so a kid couldn't accidentally turn it on. It does come with a memory card and USB cable. So the memory card's good. You upload a project to it from your computer, and then you can just plug it in, hit frame, and hit play, and it's going to go and start cutting out what you want it to. I was able to start using this right away, and it was super simple. Easy to set up, didn't take very long, and I was cutting stuff right off the bat. Now it does come with this tool to help focus your laser. All right, so this has about 20 seconds left before it finishes this project, and now it goes back to place and it is all complete. All right, so this is my final product. Now it does look different because of the wood. It's not because of the laser, and so I think it turned out real nice. It's got some depth to it, so it's pretty cool. So something else that I'm doing is brushing this off, and you can see it's removing some ash as I'm brushing, making it look a little bit nicer. All in all, I was really happy with how well this laser engraver worked. I was playing with different settings and speeds and power settings to see what kind of differences it makes in etching these coasters, and it worked out really well.